I would request our favorite film star and superhero, Mr. Venkatesh Garu, to say a few words on this occasion, please.
Good evening, everybody. It's wonderful to see all you wonderful souls who are so connected with the great saint Sai Baba. And it is a real divine feeling for me today when Lakshman had asked me to come and be at the opening of the launching of the CD of Teachings and Philosophy of Sai Baba. His teachings are very simple but very direct. I think that is what appeals Sai Baba to everybody. You knock at his door and he's there. You just think of him and he's there. And I think this evening, I'm sure all of you feel his presence out here, because that is the miracle. We don't have to search for miracles. His very feeling that he's there right now shows what a great saint he is. And I'm very glad that Krishna Mohan has taken this effort to bring out these wonderful teachings. I hope all these teachings reach to everybody. I think the children are learning a lot of physical sciences, but they're not learning the spiritual sciences. And I hope all these CDs go to all the educational institutions also, because I'd love to see everybody learn his teachings. So I'd like to again thank all of you who've come here on this wonderful occasion. And may Sai Baba show his grace to all of you, and all of you have a very happy and peaceful life. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Mr. Gopichand will say a few words on this occasion.
I think when Lakshman had asked me to come for this function, I was in fact very happy to do that, because it's very great company to be in here, one, and also the kind of feeling which I had the last time around when this event was being done. It was fantastic. I'm very happy today that the Sai Satcharita and also the commentary, which is very good, because for many of us, reading might be a difficult at an age where I think a lot of iPods and MP3 players have come in, and phones have more use as MP3 players. I think more and more it's very important that we are in access to such kind of knowledge straight in our palm. So it's really wonderful that the commentary is joined along with the songs. I think as is one of the saints, as a guru, I think Sai Baba has been really changed a lot of things. One clearly comes to mind is communal harmony. I think he was one saint whom everybody across all religions believe in, and that's really wonderful. And also such easy teachings, so clear, so straight and easy for us simple beings to understand. I think it's the greatness of this guru, and I think it's wonderful to have such knowledge accessible to us. I think it's been a wonderful, and may Sai bless us all. I think Sai Ram, Jai Gurudev.
Somebody has to, you get it open. Just Lakshman to say a few words on this occasion, please.
Distinguished guests on the dais, all my family members, friends, members from the media, and all my well-wishers. Should congratulate Baba the first album, Sai Sudha, was actually conceived, the thought was conceived by Baba in 2006. I think after I came back from the South African series, he told that he had an inclination to do audio CD and spread the awareness of Shirdi Sai Baba more as a gratitude. And I don't know why he got that feeling, and I believe he had an intuition while he was doing his prayer that he had to do and spread the name of Shirdi Sai Baba. And then I approached my good friend Satyaprasad Garu because his nephew Madhukar, who is a very talented music director, and his cousin brother Sai Krishna Garu, and Satyaprasad Garu actually introduced me to both these talented people, and I in turn introduced them to Baba, and since then there is no looking behind. I think whenever I listen to the Sai Sudha album, the more and more I listen to that, I'm so impressed by the work done by Madhu and obviously lyrics written by Sai Krishna Garu. It went to a stage when some of my friends who don't understand Telugu call me, and my ringtone has got one of the songs from Sai Sudha, and they told Lakshman, why did you pick up the phone? So they were so impressed by the music and the lyrics, even though they didn't understand. The lyrics are so sweet, so simple, and language is not a barrier. And that was the first effort by Baba and Sudha Aunty. And since then, it's amazing that how Baba is still has got a lot of perseverance and passion to do more and more. And if you see that there is improvement from the Sai Sudha album, he's already started a website so that this album should reach out not only in our country, but throughout the world. And I should also thank EMI for their support. I'm hoping that the relationship will be very, very good and a long-lasting one, because without your support and effort, mentioned that the timings would be 6 to 7 o'clock. So he had another commitment, and he felt really sorry that he left it. And also to Girish Kumar uncle, I'm sure my grandfather Ramanandra Garu will be really, really proud of his nephew, because you made our family really proud. And I congratulate you for all your achievements. And lastly, I wish Baba once again, and to Sudha Aunty also, that they continue, and hoping that we'll have the third CD launch very quickly. Thank you very much.